So now most of the students ask me that they are able to get some point of inflection by the first derivative, but they're not able to get all the points of inflection. So is the first derivative like a short rule, or how should they be short whether they're going to get the point of inflection? So let's just look at this question and go ahead. So your f of x is a biquadratic function, and now we are finding the stationary point, right, by the first and the second derivative test. So we have found the first derivative, it's a cubic, and by inspection we are able to see that f of 1 is equal to 0. If f of 1 is equal to 0, then by the synthetic division, you can check my other videos for its proper explanation. So you get that it gets split into x minus 1 and this quadratic, which is further factorized as 4x minus 1 to the power of 2 x minus 4. And when we equate it to 0 and do the sign test, so if you take any value less than 1 or greater than 1 but less than 4, around it, its sign is negative only. Okay, and if you take any value greater than 4, then its sign is positive. So here you have a falling slope, here you have a falling slope, and here you have a rising slope. Is it fine? So hence 1 is the point of inflection and 4 is the point of minimum. So second derivative, and we will look at the point where the second derivative is 0, so it's 1 and 3, and before 1, if you plug in any point in the second derivative, it's positive. Between 1 and 3, it's negative, and post to 3, anything greater than 3, it's positive. So it means whenever the second derivative is positive, then it's a concave up. If it's negative, it's a concave down, and if it's a positive, then again a concave up. So you can see at 1 and 3 the concavity changes, and hence you're getting a point of inflection. But 3 was not given by the first derivative test, so hence you need to go to the second derivative. And so here's a catch: if you are in year 11 and it's not the part of your coursework, so you can just draw the curve normally. Then there is an increase, there is a decrease, there will be a point, but you're not able to find that point. And if you are in year 12, then you need to find that point. And look, with the second derivative, I'm able to get that the minimum occurs at x is equal to 4.